Hello campers, my name is Miss Allen. Welcome to another fun day of learning about math. All right, I'm going today to begin with a story called Monster Math School Time. It's by Grace Macaron, illustrated by Marge Hartliness. At 6 o'clock, monsters wake up. Let me show you the monsters that are waking up. At 7 o'clock, they make a mistake. Oh my, look at this big mistake they're making. At 8 o'clock, they go to school. There they are, getting on that bus, going to school. If you look in the picture, you can see where they're passing the city hall, they're passing the bank. Then monsters learn a safety rule. Always remember, when you see the green light means that you can go. And the red light means to stop. At 9 o'clock, monsters spell. Let's look at the words that they're spelling. Today's words: C-A-T, cat. B-A-T, bat. R-A-T, rat. H-A-T, hat. Boys and girls, those are considered the at family words, what they're working on. Awesome. So then at 10 o'clock, they show and tell. So I could see that they brought different items for show and tell. One of them brought in their ant collection. The other one brought in a skeleton. The other one looked like he has a tank of crabs. Somebody look like they have an iguana. And this one right here has a rabbit. So maybe one day you could do a show and tell with your family or at your school. At 11 o'clock, monsters read. Reading is very good. Welcome to the library. And most of the time when you're in the library, they say, shh, our favorite word. Then each monster plants a seed. They're planting. Monster specials: monster mush, monster meatballs, monster mud pies. That must sound yummy to them. Eat like a monster: musharoo, musharoll, monster milkshakes, sodas. At 12 o'clock, monsters eat. Go, monsters, go. At 1 o'clock, they compete. They're competing in races. I see a basketball hoop. That's most of the boys' favorite game. And some girls. At 2 o'clock, they subtract. Then monsters learn a science fact. Turtles hatch from eggs. We love school. I love school. At 3 o'clock, monsters go. They're getting ready to go home. Woohoo! They're out the door. At 4 o'clock, they catch and throw. So now they're at their home playing outside. Letting some of that energy out from all of that work they did today. At 5 o'clock, they paste and glue. It looks like they're pasting stars and little people. Oh, this one is making look like a dinosaur in a house. Then monsters eat a yummy stew. At 6 o'clock, they take a bath. Taking a bath is very important, boys and girls. At 7 o'clock, they play Monster Math. Math. Woo! I think there are 4 lollipops left in the bag. I want one. And at 8 o'clock, they shut the light. Monsters are asleep. Good night. The end. That was a cute story, boys and girls, and it's called Monster Math School Time. Alrighty, so now we're going to look at my lesson activity for today. My lesson activity is called Pretty Pants. And it involves rolling the dice to see what 2-digit number we're going to add first. Alrighty? So let's just move some of this stuff here. Alrighty. Alright, so the first number is the number 6. So we will write the number 6 on the pants. Then the next number, the number 1. So right here we have 61 plus, let's see what 2-digit we're going to come up with next. 3 and 4. So 61 plus 34. So over here, Miss Allen's going to actually write it bigger for you to see on the board. So the first number was 61 plus 34 equals. So right here you have 6 10s and 1 1s plus you have 3 10s and 4 1s. You put your plus sign and you draw a line. Okay? Then you do the math. 4 plus 1. You do this side first. 4 plus 1 is 5. And 3 plus 6 is 9. So your answer is 95. Good job, boys and girls. So now you see that there's more than one way that you can come up with your answer. You could break it down or you could write it out. Okay? Now, let's do one more. All right, we're gonna roll it. I always start with purple because purple is my favorite color. 5 and 1. 5 again. And 2. So up here we have the number. We're going to put our answer over here first for this one since we didn't do that one. This was 95. So this reads 51 plus 52. Let's see what we're going to come up with. 51 plus 52 equals. So this would read 5 10s and 1 1s plus 5 10s and 2 ones. Okay, so let's do the addition now. 2 plus 1 is 3. 5 plus 5 is 10. So our answer would be 51 plus 52 equals 103. Don't forget, when you're writing your problem, you have to put your plus sign and you draw your line. All right, and then you will get your answer, which was 103. Awesome. All right, let's try one more because we have our last pan set right here to complete. Alrighty, don't forget, we're going to start with the purple cube first because that's my favorite. Okay, first number is 6. 4. So we have 64 plus, let's see what we're going to get next. 2. And a 5. So that's 64 plus 25. Awesome. Okay, let's do our math over here on the board. 64 plus 25. Alrighty, this is 6 ones. No, 10s. I'm so sorry. 6 10s. Sorry. 6 10s and 4 ones. Plus 2 10s and 5 ones. Okay, and you don't forget, you're adding these numbers together. Alrighty, so 5 plus 4, I'll show you with the counters as well so you can make sure that you have the correct answer. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 5 over here and you have 4 over here. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we just learned that 5 plus 4, boys and girls, equals 9. The next one, 2 numbers, is 2 plus 6. You have 2 blue ones. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count all of them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we just learned that 6 plus 2 is 8. So our answer, boys and girls, is the number 89. 64 plus 25 equals 89. So over here, we will write it above our pants. Our answer was 89. Boys and girls, I hope that you enjoyed playing Pretty Pants. Boys and girls, another thing I want you to always remember to do your affirmations. I am smart, I am kind, I am loving, I am lovable. And don't forget to always believe in yourself.